If you want to disable two-factor authentication on your Kayak account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account settings are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Kayak website or open the app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Find security settings. Within your account settings, look for a section labeled Security or Privacy. Click on this section to access your authentication settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. In the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle or checkbox that allows you to disable this feature. Click to turn it off. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, you may be prompted to confirm your changes. Follow any additional instructions provided to ensure the setting is saved. Make sure to review your account security regularly and consider other security measures if you choose to disable two-factor authentication.